This is a breadboard. A breadboard is used to connect the circuit. So, if you see this breadboard, this is one kind of breadboard. You have different slight variations of the breadboards. So, in most of the breadboards, you have two sections. One is this section, the body of the breadboard, and the other is this section, which is normally used to connect more than one or many multiple connections. They are connected using these two sections. So here the main circuit is connected here. Okay, so in this you can see that there are 5 holes in a column. 5 holes in a column, and these 5 are connected with each other. So column wise here there is connection. So if you want to connect 2 points in a circuit, 2 components in a circuit, then you have to connect them in the same vertical line or same column in the main part of the breadboard. Another thing is that this part and this part are not connected. You can see a break in between. So these 5 are connected, but these 5 are connected, but these 5 are not connected to this 5. Okay. Now coming to this portion, here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 set of holes on the upper portion are connected. 5 set of holes, that is 5 into 5. 25 holes are connected in the upper row and 25 holes in the lower row are connected. Likewise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 25 holes are connected and these 25 holes are connected, but there is no connection in the vertical holes. Here it is connected horizontally and here it is connected horizontally, but there is no vertical connection, and there is no connection between these 25 and these 25. Here there is a break. Same in this case also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these 5 sets are connected, these 5 sets are connected, these 5 sets are connected, these 5 sets are connected. There is no connection vertically or between the sections. Okay, so in order to understand that more, this is the back side of the breadboard. So here you can see that, see, this is one column. So these column, this is fully connected using this metal. So all the in the main part of the breadboard, all the column holes in the column are connected. But here there is a break, so there is no connection between these two. There is no connection between these two. No connection between these two. Similarly, this, here you can see that this 25 holes are connected on the upper part, 25 holes are connected in the lower part, but here there is a break. Here there is a break. So there is no connection between this section and this section or vertically. So that is the main connection of the breadboard. Similarly in the lower case also, this and this. Okay, so suppose you want to connect a simple circuit. Say two resistors in series. So if you want to connect two resistors in series, suppose this is one resistor and this is another resistor. Yes, so this is say R1 and this is say R2. So here you can see that this point is not connected anywhere and this point is not connected anywhere, but here there is a connection between these two resistors. So for that, you'll be using the main part of the breadboard, and suppose these are the two resistors. Okay, so R1, suppose these are the two resistors. Now R1, I am placing it like this. So why am I keeping it like this? Because horizontally here there are no connection. So this particular resistor, these two leads are these two leads, and these two leads should not be connected to each other. These are at two different places. So to keep it at two different places, you have to connect it horizontally. This line is not connected to this line. Now what is connected? This leg is connected to this leg of the second resistor. So suppose this is the second resistor. So one leg of this resistor should be connected to one leg of this resistor. So what I'll do is I'll place it in the same vertical column, and the other end will be connected to some other. So here you can see that there is a connection here because these two legs are connected in the same vertical column, and these two are at different columns. So this is how you connect the circuit.